Pulling up to my 2016 F150. Beautiful truck. Got my key fob in my hand. Having a no start issue. Sit down in the truck. There's actually one in the spare cubby right now too. Sit down here, foot on the brake. Light comes on. Ready to start. Steering wheel comes back out. Truck thinks that it started. Obviously has not. So, turn it off again. Steering wheel goes back. Put off the brake, on the brake. You can see that the light comes on, indicating it's okay to start. And so it thinks that it started. Computer's looking for engine signs, not finding any, of course, because it's not. Radio's on. I don't know. Frustrating.